I'm very happy for you, Deepanshu, as you got selected with SCL. Many, many congratulations on that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, Deepanshu, I really wanted to know about the profile and the package SCL is currently offering you.
hmm So, file is for the senior technical specialist.
Hello, Deepanshu. How are you?
I'm doing well, Nandini. I hope you are doing great.
Yes, I'm really doing well, and I'm very happy for you, Deepanshu, as you got selected with SCL. Many, many congratulations on that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome. Dipanshu, as you are not our candidate, so I really wanted to know how you came across about PyNet
Mhm.
Labs job postings and even from how long you have been knowing PyNet Labs.
Yeah, so it's been around 6 months. I've known about finite and talking about this job posting. I got this information from LinkedIn from your profile itself. I do
Okay.
see that you are like inactive. You're actively recruiting, and your posts, they're all every apart from recruitment posting, you also post
Mm.
like motivational posts as well. So that is also great.
I
Yeah,
tried
and
to do
no,
that.
yeah, yeah, and you're doing a commendable job. And yes,
Thank you.
I'm actively like following and all your posts regarding job posts. So I
Mm-hmm.
came across with HL as well, through which I
Okay. Okay.
applied, and I got a call from Ranjit. He really
Mm-hmm.
helped with with each and everything, starting from scheduling the meeting with the
Mm-hmm.
recruiters and all, with all the process. So everything was
Mm-hmm.
really great, and I
Mm-hmm.
really thank to you and Ranjit about it. Mhm.
Thank you so much for your kind words, Dipanshu. It
Yeah.
really means a lot to us,
Uh,
and it just gives us the energy to keep doing the
yeah.
such work that we are doing, right? So great.
Mhm.
So, Dipanshu, I'm hoping that this is not the first time you are applying for an opening with us, right?
Yeah. Maybe this is not
Have
the
you got
first
any
time.
calls before this?
No, I started
No.
with HCL and I got like a call. hmm
Great,
That is
great.
what I can remember at the moment. But yeah, that was for PyNet itself. And apart from this, I also go through the posting about certifications and all the like tutorials
Mm-hmm.
and all. And yes,
Okay.
in future as well, I would be planning to join and
Great.
get my like training done.
Okay. Okay. You're most welcome,
Mhm.
and we are happy, with everything. So yeah, whenever you're planning, you can come, right?
Yeah,
So
sure.
and trainings are virtually, so I think it will be
hmm
very comfortable for everybody to enroll into it,
Yeah.
right? Because I guess for the experienced guys, it would be very difficult to go to
Hmm.
the places and get the training.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. That is why, that it's a great choice to, get connected with PyNet and get the academics done, along with like working. So that's really flexible and a great choice.
Thank you, thank you. I think it's a very
Mhm.
important point that many of the experienced person told me earlier as well, that
Yeah.
it's being very difficult for us to go to training centers while we are doing our jobs, right? Because
hmm
it's 8 hour shift and then traveling involves, and it becomes eventually 10 hour shift,
Yeah,
right? And
absolutely
then
correct.
after 10 hours, going for a center to get a training, it's quite hectic for us to do. So they
Yeah.
are very happy that we have this facility. We operate like this, that where you can get the training for virtually, and all the facilities are with it, right?
Yeah,
So
correct.
great.
Absolutely. And even doing, weekend batches and all, this too becomes hectic. So yes,
Mm.
virtually it, does this like flexibility to join and like go through the recordings as well. So yeah, that's great.
Yes. So, Dipanshu, I really wanted to know about the profile and the package SCL is currently offering you.
hmm So file is for the senior technical specialist.
So let's discuss how much hike you are getting, if that you
It's
can say.
around, yeah, that's great.
50%, I think.
Yeah, it's close to 45 to 50%. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Because there are some 6% variable part is also involved.
Yeah, correct. Including that.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Including that. So
Yeah.
I also obviously calculated. So it somehow
Hmm.
jumped upon 50%. I know.
Yeah.
So it's a really high, a really good hike, honestly. I mean, people are actually searching to get, more than 50% in the market nowadays.
Yeah.
So what did you done in the interviews? I really wanted to know that.
Yeah. So my technical interview, went really well.
Mm-hmm.
So, like also that's you can say that's a perk of being working with like a good brand, because you would be
Mm-hmm.
getting a lot of exposures and like a deep knowledge about how the things work. So
Mm-hmm.
even if that really helps me to like explain each and everything over the interview. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so just that like refreshing and like learning new technologies, and understanding it, that really helps to make
Mm-hmm.
other person understand while you are going through in the interview. That
Okay.
really helps.
Okay.
So yeah, that is why just keep like learning and get associated with the institute which are helping to like make you understand new technologies and all. So
Mm-hmm.
to keep it short, yes, the technical round should what's really it really went well.
Okay.
And I was able to like explain like each and every question to the
Mm.
interviewer, so that really helped.
Great, great. So if I'll ask you one thing, like the questions were more of based on your experience, or it was more of scenario-based question, or more of theory? How was that
Yeah, yeah, all of things combined. So
combined?
apart from the like even if you're working in the particular technology, still you need to
Mm-hmm.
learn the emerging technologies. A single technology cannot help you like I would say in bold. So still learn, like my case was like switching, and also I also learned about routing, so that really helped. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so keep learning and have a like understanding of multiple technologies.
Yes, it's very important for
Yeah.
technical guys to
Yes.
keep learning, keep adding new skills into
Yeah,
their
correct.
CVs and into their career also, because market is booming every day and new technologies are coming up. So companies are also in a search of that. They are searching for people who are more aware with the new technologies.
Yes.
So that is the case, right?
Yes.
If I'll ask you, like, as you are now you offered as a senior profile, how many years of experience do you have?
Total, it's around 8 years.
Great, great. So, sort of 8 years of experience you hold. Great. And if you want to give any suggestions to people in the networking who feels it's very tough market, or it is very difficult to crack interview, or to get a hike more than 50%, do you have any feedback for them?
Just keep on learning, which is which is what I have also implemented myself. Like
Mm-hmm.
I learned multiple technologies and understand how it works, and I also did practicals using the practical tools which are already available in the market. Most of them, like we do have open source applications which we can use to get a hands on.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, yeah,
Understood.
yeah, just have the conversation going and have the like good communication skills.
It's
And
really
that really
important.
helps. Yeah, that helps not just to like have a like just to say like it really helps to make other person understand what you are trying to say, and
Exactly, exactly.
yeah, they can
Communications.
understand that you're on, so you would also be able to explain what you understand and in a efficient manner. So that's it. So the primary thing is to like learn and have the understanding of the technicalities, and
Mm-hmm.
then the conversation skills.
Yeah, I do believe, because I feel I have seen some people are very knowledgeable that they have a poor communication skills, and they are not able to describe themselves well, and they are
Yeah.
getting frequently rejected in the interviews.
Yeah, correct. So,
because
a minimum should be, there so that they can make them understandable. That is it. Otherwise, the technical knowledge is like the primary thing that should be, a person
mm,
should have.
mm. And do you feel, Dipanshu, that somehow resume that you are showing to the recruiter is also
Mhm.
play a vital role in your selection process?
Yeah, correct, correct. That's the very, important thing because whatever you learn, that should be, like in the network technologies. So obviously, we do have different protocols and different technologies. So just, make sure that you are mentioning in the resume properly.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's an
And
important
whatever
thing.
you are mentioning, you should be aware with those things, and
Absolutely. Yep.
that skill should be aligned with your knowledge, right?
Yeah,
While
correct.
because you have to explain it while the recruiter gonna ask you so much questions, so he'll be obviously looking at your CV while questioning you.
Yeah, correct. Correct.
And I'm really glad that you took time to
Mhm.
share your feedback, and wish you very good luck with your new offer and all, and I hope that you will keep growing in your life.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.